everyone, I'm Lena.
I'm Emily,
And we're from Catalan International.
and today we're going to show you this historical big apartment placed in Melbourne. It has 3 bedrooms. Yeah, let's start here. So first we're in this big living area. As you can see, there are the original floors. And if you look into the ceiling, you can see the Catalan ceiling is really beautiful, and that gives a lot of character to this apartment.
So as you can see, we have a huge dining table. So you can make like a lot of dinner with your friends, family. It's cozy. Here you have a beautiful kitchen, full furnished. A big table as you can see. You have also a dishwasher. Everything is beautiful. Cute lights. It's cocooning and cozy.
And then if we continue into this room, as you can see, there are all of these shelves. It might have been a library. We have amazing original fireplace. As you can see, the beautiful Catalan floor and also ceiling. Have this big windows, which also goes into a beautiful balcony, each in every room.
So now let's go into the first bedroom. So here, a kid can be here. You have a beautiful bed. So here you have also a wardrobe where you can put all your clothes. You have also an amazing sofa and a view of this beautiful balcony. So now let's go into the second bedroom.
Yes, so this is the second bedroom of the apartment. As you can see, a lovely big bed. There's a lot of light coming in. As I said, there are balconies in all of the rooms, and here you can look over the street of Melbourne, and then you can go to the beach. So let's continue here. We see a lot of storage, which is all around the apartment.
Here you have this bathroom. Everything is fine. Sink, toilet, shower. Rustic with these beautiful colors, wood.
So now we're going to see the third bedroom. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, the original tiles. A big bed. And we do have a lot of storage here, so you fill in all your clothes. It's kind of a little walk-in. You have the same on the right side over here. You wake up in the morning, you can go out on the balcony to enjoy your morning coffee. And then we have a beautiful big bathroom. You have 2-in-1. You have a shower. You do also have an amazing bathtub. Then you have a sink and you have a big mirror. And then over here you have a toilet.
So here you have the entrance hall. You can see a third bathroom. So it's full furnished. You have a sink, toilet, and here there is also a washing machine. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you are interested, do not hesitate to contact us.
It will be at info@casabona.com. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank
See ya.
you. See you.
Bye.